In the previous video, you worked through understanding part 1 of Allegory of the Cave and completing the following assignments. Please make sure you've completed these 3 assignments before moving on to lesson 26. You should have answered 2 quote responses, answered questions 1 and 2 of your split page notes, and created a visual interpretation of the setting. Lesson 26. Today's objective is to examine how the allegory makes distinctions between the prisoners and those outside the cave, and continue to summarize the argument that Plato makes. What I'd like you to do right now is stop this video, move to the audio video, and listen to the rest of the story, which is parts 2 and 3. Once you are done, come back to this video. Okay, now that you have listened to parts 2 and 3, if you're finding that you're a little confused on the story and what was actually going on, I've provided a link to a video explanation of the story. If you need to, stop this video, watch that visual explanation, and then come back to this video. What you need to work on now is answering questions 3 through 5 on your split page notes. So the questions that you should be answering read, describe the first stage of freedom. What is the prisoner told about the objects? What is he shown? How does he react? Question 4, how does the light affect the man when he first leaves the cave and why? And number 5, what does the man see and understand as his eyes adjust? Consider what the man understands about the world both outside and inside of the cave. Please stop this video now to answer 3 through 5 questions. Okay, while answering the questions, what you should think about if you're having difficulty is, how does the prisoner react when he's told that the shadows have no meaning? And how does the prisoner react when he sees the real objects and fire and is told that he's seeing more correctly? If you found that you were having difficulty, maybe go back after looking at these questions and see how you can reword or re-answer your questions. By the end of this lesson, what you needed to have completed was questions 3 through 5 of your split page notes, as well as finishing reading the entire story. So at this point, you should have read parts 1, 2, and 3 of Allegory of the Cave. Again, if you found that you had difficulty understanding the audio version, I've provided a visual explanation of the story for you to watch.